Adam here with Brooksaw Antiques. Today we have this 1926 Royal 10 vintage desktop typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Almost 100 years old and still in really good condition. Up top is the adjustable paper guide. This helps you guide the page in straight. I'm going to line that up at the edge of the platen, which is the main roller that feeds the paper. And behind this flip panel are the margins. And you just push the button there and you can move it. I'm going to set this around 70-ish and this left one around 0. About the length of a page. And this is the paper support arm that sits on top. It's got 2 rollers that are adjustable and a scale. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip this switch forward 1, it skips 2. 1 more, it skips 3. That works good. We're going to keep it on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Beautiful typing machine. One of the most popular typewriters ever produced, and absolutely beautiful. It's got that really unique look to it with the glass panels, glossy black paint. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. You flip it forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy. Or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page or else it won't load correctly. So just as a reference, this thing is huge. It probably weighs about 40 pounds and very powerful compared to something like a portable. This thing is just steady and strong and balanced and sturdy. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Backspace on the top left, works good. Tab on the right. So to set the tabs, you flip this panel back and you pull out these little tabs here. And there's a scale back here to tell you exactly what space you're on. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs. And when you hit that tab button, it just stops at each one of those. That works good. When you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that blocks you from printing. Hit this margin release button right here, and it will allow you to go all the way to the end. That works good. Above that is the color selector switch. Right now we have it in the middle. There's a blue dot there to tell you you are printing the top portion of the ribbon. Move it to the left, you print the bottom portion of the ribbon. So if you have a dual ribbon, the red would be on bottom, and you would be printing red ink. If you have it in the middle, you print the top. This has a solid black ribbon, so you can print double the amount of black ink. If you just switch it, once you use up all the top, you switch it to the red and it prints the bottom. If you unlock, this is a little locking key. You move that to the left and you move, it allows you to move the color selector all the way to the right. It's a white dot there. And that doesn't print any ink at all. That vibrator doesn't go up at all. So when you have it in the middle, it's that top portion. That's where we're going to keep it for now. Backspace, top left works good. Above that is the ribbon reverse. So you move it to the left, it pulls the ribbon to the left. We got all the brand new ribbon loaded on the left side, so we want it to pull to the right. And it pulls counterclockwise to the right on this model. And this little switch here, if you move it, it just moves the ribbon reverse into the middle, so it doesn't pull to any side at all. On the vibrator itself, this is the card guide. So if you have a card, like a postcard or something, it'll hold that right there in place, in business cards and whatnot, so you can type on those. And you can just, there's a little lever on the back side here that pops that down. On the right side of the carriage is the carriage release, right above the knob here. And this is just a portion of the, so when you load the page, it allows you to feed the page through, and then you can just drop it without having to lift it up like that. Just a fancy quality of life feature. On the left side, if you push in this button here and you turn the knob, it allows you to get to an exact spot on the page. You let it go, You get those clicks. Each one of those clicks is one space. Same concept with this lever here up top. You flip that forward, it does it manually, and you flip it back, it does it. You get the clicks. This is a carriage release. Very nice carriage flow here. Very nice typewriter altogether. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.